Hey people, this is just a quick video how to transfer PS5 data to another PS5. So if you come to sell your PS5 but you want to back up all your data in case you ever get a PS5 at a later date, or for some other reason why you want to transfer your PS5 data to another PS5, you first want to head up to the settings here at the top, come down to System, System Software, and you can come down to Data Transfer, and this is where you transfer a PS4 to a PS5. However, if you want to PS5 to PS5, you need to back up and restore, and then you want to plug in a USB or an external drive into your PS5, and then you want to select back up your PS5, and then there's some simple on-screen instructions to follow to back up all your data onto your USB. And once it's all backed up, you want to come back to this window on the other PS5 that you're on, and then you want to select restore your PS5, and it'll simply click the PS5 data that you've just restored and put it all on the new PS5. So that's how you transfer data from a PS5 to another PS5. Hope you found that useful, and thanks for watching.